Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about the best deals going on over at Target and at Walmart for the week. I'll also share with you the meals I'm making for the week as well as the winners of the $50 gift card to CRZ Yoga. So let's chat for a minute. Last week I posted a Walmart Target haul. There was also a giveaway in that video, so it was two $50 gift cards. That video got very few views, which was surprising to me. So it makes me wonder, like, was it a weird week? Are people not interested in Target Walmart anymore? Let me know what you think, because I'm curious why that's happening. And then I posted a video yesterday where I have $200 gift cards that I'm giving away, and that video got very few views. So do you guys not want stuff? Because I think it's pretty cool to get free stuff. So definitely check out the Merryfield video that I posted yesterday, because there will be two winners, a $100 gift card. I can link it for you down in the comment section below. But that kind of baffled me a little bit, and I'm confused by it. I don't want to stop doing them because I assume you guys like being able to get stuff, but I don't know. Let me know what you think. Almost completely forgot to tell you about the two winners for the $50 CRZ Yoga gift card. I apologize if I pronounce your name incorrectly, but I'm gonna need you to contact me at savingwithchristina@outlook.com. The way I know if it's a random person contacting me or if it's actually the person that won contacting me, go ahead and reply to your initial message on that video. That way I can see that it is you who is emailing me. So those two winners are Teresa Chesser and Christy Tibb. So you have both gotten a $50 gift card to CRZ Yoga. So message me, savingwithchristina@outlook.com, and I'll get that taken care of for you. Let's talk about Target first. First of all, Valentine's went 90% off at Target this week as well as Walmart. I only picked up a couple of things. And it was the candles. So these candles, it was another one that said you and me, typically $10. They were down to just $1. I didn't see a lot of Valentine's stuff. I saw like mostly baby clothes and candy, food items. So I bought a couple candles and that was it for me. If you found other good stuff, let us know. The clearance, so I found this. It's called Pre-Cleanse Shower Butter. How fancy does that sound? Like, way too fancy for me. I use soap and I'm good. But Pre-Cleanse Shower Butter. So this was $4.14 marked. It was 50% off. So it came down to $4.14. But there's a $4 digital coupon. So I paid 14 cents. And then there's also an Ibotta rebate for 25 cents back, making it completely free. So check your store to see if they have this. I actually pulled this back out of my shower because I tried it. Because it's supposed to like help moisturize your skin. And it smells really good, so I went ahead and tried it. And I do like how it smells, and it is nice and like lotiony. So check that out, see if your store has it. Now, this was a great deal on the big things of Snuggle. So they're buy two, get a $5 gift card. Now, if you use Snuggle, this was the best deal that I could put together. A lot of products are included in the buy two, get five, but the Snuggle was the best deal I put together. These are $8.49 each. You want to purchase two of them. There's a $1.50 digital coupon. So at the register, you're going to pay $15.48. You'll get a $5 Target gift card back. Then submit your receipt to coupons.com for a $1.50 back on the other item that we didn't use a coupon for, making the final cost $8.98 or just $4.49 each. So almost 50% off. So good deal if you need to stock up on some Snuggle. Now I put the celery here because I want to talk to you about fruits and veggies. A lot of times when I walk into Target, I see fruits and veggies marked down cheaper than I can find at my regular grocery store. So like these organic celery hearts were $1.19. The organic celery was 99 cents. Normally celery at the grocery store, non-organic, is right around 99 cents, at least where I live. So always check your produce section because you can find lots of good sales as well as markdowns as items get closer to their expiration date. But also pull up your Target Circle app because there are quite a few produce offers that popped up today. I also saw this one here for the heart nuggets at 50% off. So if you have someone in your family that likes nuggets, see if your store has those and you can snag them for 50% off. I also look in the meat section as well as they have meal kits, and a lot of times I see those meal kits marked down half price, and so that makes it super inexpensive to create a meal really quickly. So I'm always tempted when they mark those down 50% off. The Glade, this one's an easy one. This is $2.39. There's a $1 digital coupon, making it $1.39 at the register, getting back $1 on Ibotta, so 39 cents total. The Clorox bathroom cleaner. So this one's $4.99. There is a Shop Kick offer, which will give you $3.06 back, making your final cost $1.93. Now let's talk about Shop Kick for a minute, because when I opened my app today, there was an offer that said double scan kicks today only. So today is Wednesday. So go scan your little heart out with Shop Kick because you're going to get double scans back today. Now, another Shop Kick offer I found was on the Just Crack an Egg Scramble Kit. These are $2.25 at my Target. There was a Shop Kick offer that gives you 96 cents back, making it just $1.29. There was another offer on bacon, and I wrote it down somewhere. Well, apparently I didn't write it down, so let's go off my memory. My store didn't have it, so I couldn't buy it, but it was $6.69. There's a $2 rebate back on Ibotta, and I believe it was $2.06 back on Shop Kick. I'll pop it up here on the screen. So that drops it down to just above $2 for a pack of bacon. I don't eat bacon, so I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that's a great price if it starts at $6.69 and we're getting it down to just over $2. So check that out. There's also an offer on the Too Good smoothies. My store was out. They are 4 for $5, but Ibotta has an offer for $1 back on each of them. So if you bought 4, you'd pay $5. You'd get $4 back on Ibotta, making it $1 for all 5. $1 for all 4, or just 25 cents each. So good deal on those. I feel like there was one more thing. Oh, the Schick razors. My store was also out of those, but there are Schick razors on sale for $4. Sale price, and there's a digital coupon for $4. So you can snag some razors completely free if your store still has them. Now, meals for this week. So I did get last week's posted to my website, savingwithchristina.com. So definitely check that out. But one of my favorite meals from last week was that Golden Goddess salad. Super yummy. This week, I have made the cauliflower that I got from Walmart a couple weeks ago. I didn't care for it all that much. It wasn't awful, but I wouldn't make it again either. It was edible, but I wouldn't make it again. The last night's dinner, I did Hawaiian chicken and rice. Tonight, I'm doing an enchilada casserole, and then I'm going to try out a new recipe, a sweet potato and lentil chili. I will post all of that to my website by the end of the day today, so you'll be able to sneak over to my website and see all of the recipes for those items. All right, let's talk about Walmart deals really quick. A couple of freebies popped up. My store didn't have them, so I'm going to pop them up here on the screen. The AVRALF cream cheese was free after rebate, as well as Core bars free after rebate. So check and see if your store has those. This one also popped up again, the Essential Mist Airwick Starter Kit. It's $11.98. There's a $6 rebate on Ibotta, as well as $6 back on coupons.com, making this completely free. And I did double check the Ibotta offer. It doesn't say anything about not being able to combine with coupons. So that makes this little guy completely free. Another Ibotta offer is on these OK Go. Now, these were in the clearance section at my store, but I don't think they actually rang up on clearance. They rang up $1, which I think is their regular price. Correct me if I'm wrong. There's a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making these just 50 cents. It's a limit of 5, so if that's something you think you'd like, you can snag 5 of them. I just picked up one. It has like the milk in there already, and you just add water, which sounds kind of weird to me, but I never eat cereal with milk, so that would sound weird to me. This is another freebie. I found this up by the register. So $2.18 for the Gatorade, $2 for that seems crazy to me, but you get $2.18 back, making it completely free. Let's talk about the Nature Valley. So these bars, and these are the crunchy dipped. It's a new product. They're $3.52 each. I purchased 2 of them. That's what I paid at the register. I paid $7.07. Now I submitted my receipt to coupons.com for 50 cents back on 2. There was also a spend 25, get 5 back. So that added to that $25 for coupons.com. But there's an Ibotta rebate for $1 back on each of them. So I got $2 back on Ibotta, making them $4.54 or just $2.27 each. Now these are a better deal at CVS if your store carries these. My CVS does not carry this new product. I believe they're $1.99 at CVS this week. Mac and cheese, good deal on these. It's $1 at Walmart. There's a 20-cent rebate back on Ibotta, making it 80 cents, easy peasy. And a couple of Shopkick rebates. The Dollar Shave. So this is $5.97. There is a $3.50 rebate on Ibotta, as well as a rebate for $1.44 on Shopkick, making your final cost $1.03. You can actually get it cheaper at Target if your store has these on clearance, and I grabbed it on clearance last week with that $3.50 digital coupon. So, but I wanted to mention it there. The oatmeal, if you haven't done it yet, these are $5.48. I'll post a link for a free after rebate offer to get the $5.48 back, but there's also a Shopkick offer that gives you $1.10 back. So if you haven't done it yet, it makes it $1.10 moneymaker. Now, I looked at my clearance section. My store still had a ton on clearance, but I saw this Lazy Weekends hand soap at 25 cents, and I remembered I had a Fetch Rewards offer for buy 2, get $2.50 back, but it's only certain scents in this brand, and this would qualify. So I picked up 2 of these at 25 cents. So I paid 50 cents, and then I got back $2.50 on Fetch Rewards. So I made $2 buying hand soap this week at Walmart. So I think that was everything. Didn't buy a ton at Walmart this week. I'm looking at my notes here to see if there was anything else I wanted to add. Don't forget, if you're one of the winners, email me. Don't forget to check out my Merryfield app tutorial, because I have gift cards that I'm giving away there as well. I think that's it. I'll post pictures of items that I found on clearance at Walmart at the end of this video. And then following those Walmart pictures, you'll see items I found on clearance at Target. So the tags will look a little bit different. So hopefully you can tell the difference between the Walmart and the Target items. If you have questions, don't hesitate to drop them down below. Let me know how your week is going. Thanks.